Okay, so the next thing is we have lines that are implied here from where we folded our paper. Okay, so we have those lines that we didn't draw out. We have implied lines. If you don't remember what that is, look at your note. Looking for my ruler. Alright, so I found my ruler. So now we gotta decide, do we want these implied lines or don't we? We have to be careful because we still, once again, don't want to hold our pen down too long. So I'm going to use my implied lines and make them real lines to break up my background a bit. Just gonna make sure I can really see. But you notice I'm not going through the circle. So I did that. I think I'll do these as well. So you see how it bled? I don't want you all to do that. So there's that. So it was just two little lines there. Then we turn it and we copy those two little lines here. And that helps break up my background a little bit for when I go to color. I think that's all the lines I'm going to do. I have others that I could do. I'm choosing not to. So that's what we're going to leave it up. So once you have decided that you're done, you're going to take an eraser. You're going to hold your paper and in tiny circles you can start doing little circles with the eraser. We do little circles because it gets up more of the pencil. Yes, this is going to take a little while. It's okay. You just want to hold your paper well so you don't rip it. You'll do this all over the paper. I'll be back in a moment with it fully erased. Alright, now that I've finished that, I've gone around, I've wiped off all my eraser. You want to double check. So like I had an area right here that had a gap, so I just come in, filled in. So you just double check your things so you don't have giant gaps. Alright. So the next thing we'll be doing is value, and I will have a whole separate video for that, and we will have a worksheet to work on before you guys start doing value on here.